Hello, everyone, and welcome to the spring semester of Math 245. I'm your instructor, Professor Michael Brown, and I look forward to meeting with all of you starting Monday morning at 8 a.m. I want to walk you through how to get to Canvas since that's the primary way we're going to communicate this semester. So when you get onto Canvas and you log on to the home page, it will look something like this. You see the course syllabus is located right here, but all of the important information is going to be located on the left side here under modules. So I'm going to take you right there. Throughout the course, I'll be posting lots and lots of lecture notes. There will be videos. Of course, every Zoom lecture will be recorded. The quizzes, I've already got the first quiz up, and the exams, practice tests, things of that nature. Now, the Zoom lectures will be live, but they will be recorded, so you are not required to attend the class. Although if you attend the class, you can stay on for the office hours, which will always start immediately after class is over. So I want to highlight here the schedule. Okay, now the schedule I've written using the 5th edition of the textbook. The 4th edition is free online, not a bootleg, but an actual PDF online that you can download. And it is almost identical. There are a few sections that are slightly different, and I will let you know when we come to them because you certainly can use the 4th edition. It really isn't different. It's just been slightly reorganized, but the content is probably 99% exactly the same. So these are the sections we'll be covering related to the 5th edition, and until we get to chapter 4, there won't actually be a difference in the sections. So as we go along, you notice quiz 1, for example, on Monday the 8th, that will be from the material on on lecture 1. So on the very first class, we'll be covering material that will be on the first quiz. The second class will be the second quiz, and so on. And if you notice here on March 1st, the two little slashes indicates that's the end of the material that will be on the first exam. The first exam is then 3 classes later. On that last lecture, there will be a practice test and a key that will be posted so that you can have good enough practice for the test between that, the quizzes, the practice problems, the lecture notes, everything else. You'll have plenty of views of everything we do. So as we move along, at the end, you notice all the important dates, the drop deadlines, the exam dates, of that nature. Okay. Now, this course is not calculus. Okay, so your calculus background really isn't important. Calc 2 is a prerequisite for this course. That's only because they want you to be far enough along in math that you're a pretty good math student. There's no calculus. There's really not algebra. It's mostly going to be logic and proofs. The last portion of the course is what's called combinatorics, a lot of calculating probabilities, things like that. Some of you will have done some of those topics in statistics. I like to think of discrete math as fun math for people who like math. Again, it's not calculation based. It's a lot of logic and proof and almost common sense at times. And we're going to be pursuing things that you may never have seen before. And that makes things kind of exciting. Now, I look forward to seeing you at the lectures. Hopefully you can attend the lectures. But if you can't, again, as long as you're watching the videos relatively soon, look every day on Canvas for posted material. Again, that first class is Monday morning. I will be emailing you the Zoom links separately so you can get on. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of your break, and I will see you on Monday.